It keeps getting better. Ukrainian Secret Service SHUR struck a Russian base in Syria. The target of the attack was Russian military equipment at the Pantsir-S air base, which is located east of Aleppo and occupied by Russian forces. Kyiv Post has obtained several exclusive videos and photos showing the continuation of a special operation by the main intelligence directorate units to degrade Russian military assets in Syria. According to Kyiv Post sources within the intelligence agency, the Kimmich Group carried out another complex strike against the positions of the Russian forces in Syria at the end of July 2024. The target of the attack was Russian military equipment at the Pantsir-S air base, which is located east of Aleppo and occupied by Russian forces. The released videos purports to show key moments of the attack. First, a Russian mobile electronic warfare complex is destroyed, followed by drones attacking Russian military objects at the airbase itself. The strike was reportedly carried out the day after a meeting in the Kremlin between Russian President Vladimir Putin and Syrian President Bashar al-Assad on Wednesday, July 24th. The Pantsir-S airbase has been controlled and used by the Russians for military purposes since 2015. Ukrainian intelligence tells Kyiv Post that the base was also used for training and transporting foreign mercenaries to the war in Ukraine. In early June, Kyiv Post also published exclusive footage of Ukrainian special forces attacking enemy checkpoints, strongholds, foot patrols, and columns of military equipment in the Golan Heights in Syria. According to Kyiv Post's HUR source, since the beginning of the year, insurgents with the support of Ukrainian fighters have delivered numerous strikes against Russian military facilities under the control of the so-called Russian Armed Forces Group in the Syrian Arab Republic. Russia's intervention in Syria in 2015, initially aimed at supporting President Assad's regime during the civil war, led to the permanent deployment of thousands of Russian troops there. In the fall of last year, Moscow transferred some troops and equipment from Syria to the battlefield in Ukraine, potentially making their forces in Syria more vulnerable to Ukrainian attacks in the region. Due to their prolonged presence in the region, the Russians have created numerous recruitment centers to enlist Syrian mercenaries for the war in Ukraine. Mercenary recruitment is overseen by the Center for the Reconciliation of Opposing Sides and Refugee Movement Management at the Maymim Air Base, occupied by Russia. There, mercenaries are issued Russian passports and then incorporated into the Russian armed forces. In May 2023, HUR Chief General Kirilo Budanov promised to destroy Russian war criminals anywhere in the world they may be. In addition to Syria, Ukrainian HUR Special Forces continue hunting for pro-Kremlin Wagner mercenaries in Sudan and other parts of the African continent. On Monday, July 29th, Kyiv Post received a unique photo of Malian Tuareg rebels posing with the Ukrainian flag, showing their support for Ukraine. In February, Kyiv Post acquired exclusive footage allegedly showing Ukrainian special forces interrogating captured Wagner Group mercenaries in the Republic of Sudan. In the video, the prisoners confessed that their mission was to get to Sudan and overthrow the government there. In January, Kyiv Post published an exclusive video allegedly showing Ukrainian drones destroying Russian mercenaries and their local terrorist partners in Sudan. And last November, it got an exclusive video allegedly showing Ukrainian special forces performing cleaning up operations of Wagner fighters in Sudan. Let's get back to Ukraine. A big Russian infantry assault group comes under cluster artillery and FPV drone fire. Only a few were seen escaping. Work by the 110th Mechanized Brigade. Caracas, Venezuela. Freedom is coming. Maduro will face justice. Opposition leader Maria Corina Machado made her first major speech since the election. You don't have to understand words to see the meaning. No matter how strong is the dictatorship, no matter how long the oppression lasts, people will always choose freedom at the end. That is the lesson that dictators all over the world will never learn.
Le dijimos que después de ganar íbamos a cobrar y estamos cobrando. Hoy el mundo entero sabe lo que sabemos los venezolanos. Ustedes lo han visto con sus propios ojos. Cada una de las actas de votación emitidas por el Consejo Nacional Electoral en las mesas del 28 de julio, que son la prueba irrefutable, irreversible de que ganamos el 28 de
And for the military porn. Anyone asked for a tutorial on how to load an AIM-9X on an F-35B?
Moving on for 3. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Up 2, cradle. Set shoulder on 3. 1, 2, 3. Step it out. Don't cross your feet. All right. Right hands up. Stop. All right, rotate on shoulder. Hey, watch the fin. Side step in. Okay, tight. Up and load.
It's like proprietary.
Yeah. Forward. Hands on. 3, 5!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.